Okay.
My britches are already getting dirty.
Roll over here.
Oh my god.
There you go. Now hold it flat on the rim. Push arrows. Oh God.
I'll put that in the video.
Straight up. Like this.
Okay. Alright. Alright. I was just kidding.
That's good.
Okay.
Now keep going.
All the way?
Keep going.
Ah!
Keep going.
Oh my god.
Get it again. Oh, get it again. There you go.
Okay.
Keep going.
Keep going?
Yep. All right.
Jesus Christ! I don't know what to do!
Back it off. Oh, look, you're okay. There you go.
Is it gonna do that every time?
Every time. All right, nope, get back on. There you
That
go.
air smells bad. That's not good air. See any eyes?
Face to the rim.
Okay.
Okay. Now you gotta wait for these little. Here goes on this rim.
Oh, it's like a can opener.
Kind of, sort of. Don't want to scratch the rim like you already did.
It was an accident.
We're gonna use this.
Okay.
Slow.
Okay.
Keep going. Keep going.
It's fighting me.
It's okay. Keep going.
I can't.
Keep going.
What do I do now?
Keep going.
Okay.
Keep going. Put it up underneath there. And take it back up.
Oh, that's smart. Did you invent that yourself? Did we call that the Justin Smith method?
No. We dispose of it.
In the ocean. Can I burn this in my backyard?
No. Ready to move it?
I was afraid you'd never ask.
Ah.
Ah! Okay, whatever. That's gross.
From the inside. Push down the lever. So what you have to do is stop. Leave that
Got
hook-
myself there.
leave it hooked up. Alright, so it's not working. So now we have to use,
Is it because it's a Jeep tire?
maybe. I want you to step on the pedal hard. Keep going. Keep putting air in it. Keep holding it there.
I'm so scared.
You can,
This is gonna make that loud pop. I know it.
you can let go of the tire. Hold this.
You're gonna.
It's gonna do the loud pop.
It will.
I don't like it.
Just keep
I'm
going.
crying. That was so funny.
Is it done?
Yeah, one more pop maybe. There it goes.
I've forgotten every single question. Those loud noises really.
And scrape the wheel.
I bet you anything this is the tool to get the washer off, and he gave me a flathead screwdriver. Jesus.
You get them all?
Yeah,
Okay.
I quit.
Alright. Take the hammer. And you're going to hammer it on. Just don't hit your finger.
How would you say that?
Safety first.
Justin, it's all over my face. Justin!
It'll be okay.
No, it's not.
It'll be okay. Just don't hit your finger.
Quit saying that. Don't say that. That's bad luck. I think it's on there.
Well, you're a little off, but maybe it'll be okay.
Maybe.
Alright. So lower the hood down.
hair with this glove.
And it says you're okay. See? You're okay.
Yeah, I'm okay and I have lube in my hair. Not putting straw on it, Justin. You know how bad meniscus. Well, I'm winding now.
Yes. Bring it loose.
Jacq, you open this when we need how to pass ASE.
It's gonna give me a hernia. Really, Justin?